Critter Trades here, and today we're going to take a look at how to replace the license plate bulb for a Jeep Grand Cherokee L. This is for the 2021 L and onward in the 2022 regular Grand Cherokee 2-row. And it's pretty simple to do, and these actually don't come apart. It kind of looks like there's a tab here where you could take this inner bulb out, but you can't. They sell this entire unit as a replacement, but these are really simple to take out. I'll put a link in the description where you can purchase new LED replacement bulbs for this. So this is the same for the left and the right side. They're just opposite each other. You just push this tab in, pull down, and it'll sag a little bit. You're gonna have to push this back part to the left and then pull it straight down. And then there's a little tab here. You pretty much just push that tab in as you pull out and it will disconnect. And then again, like I said, this is an entire sealed unit, so you cannot replace this individual bulb. If you try to pry this apart, it will actually break the seal between the cover of it and the inside LED bulb, and will ruin it and make it so that water can get in there. So don't try and pull it apart from here. You pretty much need to replace this entire black unit. So when you buy a new bulb, it'll come with a new piece, and you just plug it in like so. Make sure it snaps. Get the wires up first, get the back end in there, push in that way, push straight down. And this one's the opposite. The tab's on this side, so you will push it in here and then pull out from the back end, and it'll pop out the same way.